Small companies have found out rather painfully that commercial websites are useless without traffic. Your website may be the most glamorous around, but if people can't find it, it won't help you make profit or create publicity for your brand. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms that you can use to get people checking out your website. And there is a reason why. It accounts for more than 12% of all internet searches by itself. Now that's phenomenal. So how can you maximize its potential? Here are 3 steps to using YouTube to drive traffic to your site. Step 1. Be precise in communicating what you do. Sounds obvious, right? However, many people forget to do this, and therefore YouTube watchers will not have a clear idea of what you are selling. A rule of thumb is to have a concise and compelling call to action (CTA) message at the end of your video. Make sure that the viewer is informed of how to reach your website. In your CTA, thank the viewers, and urge them to head over to your site for more related content. Step 2. Describe your videos. Anytime you upload a video on YouTube, you are presented with an opportunity to describe your content. This is absolutely important, but many internet marketers never take advantage of this feature. You can turn that video description box into a potent traffic-getting machine by inserting a call to action followed by your website URL. You can go on to add another paragraph of text describing the content of your video, followed by your website URL again at the end. Step 3. Create a call to action overlay. The CTA overlay is some sort of a banner that is positioned near the lower part of the video. This persistent message is always on the face of the viewer, hence it gets to stick on their minds. Many people do not know of this feature or its potential to capture and redirect vital traffic to their websites. It takes only a few moments to set it up, so go ahead and use it when you upload your videos. Conclusion. Using these 3 tips will do wonders for you. Remember to always make sure your videos are of a good quality and that the content is catchy and interesting. This way the viewers will be hooked from start to finish.